So tell me in on what we want to do.
Yeah, so I dyed my hair a lot, just box dye black, but then it grew out years I didn't do it. And then I just dyed it with L'Oreal's the red for dark hair
Okay.
with volume 30. And then I did it twice, but it really didn't pick up on the ends. The ends just kind of stayed black.
Okay.
And then the roots kind of just turned red. And then I recently dyed it. I tried to just dye over it brown, but it didn't work. And I don't want to bleach my hair at all.
Yeah.
And I wanted to use a color remover, but I'm scared to damage my hair.
Yeah. So there's a product on Amazon, totally safe. I've used it plenty of times. It won't damage your hair. Unfortunately, that's going to be your only option if you don't want to bleach. Because anytime you have color on your hair, color won't lift color. So if you're trying to go from darker to lighter, color will never do that on its own.
I just want to do like a light brown. Like I don't want it to be like super light that I
Okay.
would need to like bleach it, but just like lighter than my normal color.
Yeah. So we can look, if you can text me your inspo pic this afternoon, I'll send you exactly everything that you need to get your hair in order.
Okay.
Okay.